So guys, ito na po yung mga chicken namin. Yan si Lily, and the other one over there is Sophie. And then we got two ducks, but we don't know what their name yet. So we just name maybe tomorrow or later we can decide it. So that's how it looks like, guys, to their cage. And over here, that's inside if the winter comes, so they can come inside over here. So that's how they lay egg over that. Okay, so that's the timer for their electricity. Okay, for the fake lights. So that's them. Let's go there. So ayan na sila. Come on in here. Sabi. So wait. So yan yung tunnel na ginawa namin ni asawa. So hindi pa yung duck, hindi pa sila nakapunta dito, which is inaantay namin na pumunta sila from there to over here, because kasi nandito yung ano nila, yung water nila. So the chicken is already in here. So ito yung ramp nila, guys, para makapunta yung duck. Ayan, binutasan namin ni asawa yun dyan para maging ganyan siya, guys. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, ayan oh. So ganyan siya, di ba? So ayan na, kasi wala pa talaga sila, andun pa rin sila sa loob, ayaw pa talaga magpakita. And then ayun yung garden ko doon. Tsaka pag dito naman sa gilid, ganyan ka, ayan ang baby. Hi! So yan yung rabbit namin. Is a boy, that's a baby boy. Okay, but the mom of that, we already sold them. We already sold her, I mean, yeah. So ayan, tapos ito merong baby. Yan, hi Polly. So that's a Polly. And ayun yung baby doon sa loob. Pakita ko sa inyo. So ganito ang ginawa namin, guys. Ayan, mahaba talaga yan. Anuhan namin para walang makapasok or walang makakuha sa kanila. Kaya alam mo naman, may wild animals tayo dito. So, ganyan. Ito yung grow up cage ng rabbit. So, pag malaki na yung baby, ayan, i-separate na namin dito siya sa kabilang cage. So, hindi po yan sila anong tawag niyan? Magkadikit. Kumbaga, separate po yan sila. Okay? Huy! Pale! So, di ko alam anong nangyari kay Pale. What? So, can I see your baby first? Tinakpan niya yung door. Huy! I want to see your baby first. Come on now. Pale! Pale! Can I open it? So, I can see your baby. Why you didn't go upstairs? May upstairs na siya, guys. Upstairs. Na kailangan siyang pumunta doon para hindi siya mag-bother ng kanyang mga baby. So, ayan. Tanggalin muna natin to kasi nga nilagyan ni asawa. Ayan. Excuse pala. Go there. Go there. Ay naku, ayaw niya talaga. Gusto niya talaga magpa-baby sa akin. So, ito yung pakita natin. Yung baby. Where are they? Hi! Come on out. They're hiding. So, dalawa lang yan sila, guys. Yes, dalawa lang. Dalawa lang ang baby ni Polly. Ayan. Ayan pa. Ayan siya. Ayun. Uy, come on in here. Come here. Uy, come on. Ayaw nila. So, lagyan natin ng flashlight. Ng light. Oops, not available daw. Bakit kaya? Ganon. Ano rin? Ayan na yung baby. Uy, you surprised me, ha? So, ayan na sila, guys. Ito, ang tawag nila dito is a broken red. And then this one is a red. Hoy, baby. So, ayan naman yung baby. Kita ninyo, ayan o. Dalawa lang sila. So, ilock na natin. Yan yung box nila, guys. Okay. Box nila. So, kailangan namin silang ilock. So, we use the dog cage for them. And then, we put some hardware cloth para hindi ano yung ano nila, yung paa nila. So, ganito siya, guys. Ganyan siya. Okay? Ganyan siya. Sobrang ano niya. So, dito din yung rabbit before, but we already sold some of it. So, ayan. So, that looks like, ayan yung water nila. Wait, baby! Wala, the baby's out. Come here. So, bago pa lang yan sila bago pa lang yan sila pinanganak, pero nag-open na yung eyes. Dapat di pa yan naka-open ng eyes. Ayan. Saan yung isa? Yeah! I'm here! So, ala! Uy! Where are you going, baby? Oh my. So, yung baby kanina, nandito. Akala ko na-film, kaso hindi pala siya na-film, guys. So, nag-explore yung baby from outside. And now, I think, nasa inside na sila, guys. Kaso kumakain ang baby. Tingnan natin. So, open natin again. Kasi, kailangan natin makuha ang camera, yung mukha nila sa camera. Ayan ha. Hoy, you explore outside ha. So ayan na. Uy, dalawa kayo o isa lang? Dalawa kayo o isa lang? Where's the other one? Ay, so dalawa pala. Dalawa sila, guys. Nandyan. Ayan o. Dalawa sila. Nandyan. Hoy, come on out in here. So, ayan yung mama nila. Ay, naku, kanina. Ang ganda sana. Nag-explore yung baby. Kaso, akala ko nga na-record. Hindi pala siya na-record, guys. Kaya, ayan sila. Nasa loob. So, we don't know the gender yet. Okay, so alam ko, I know how to, anong tawag niyan? I know how to see if it's a boy or it's a girl. Yeah. But in the Philippines, we don't have rabbit, but I know it already. Charot. No guys, it's a joke. I look out to the internet. So that's a Polly. Yan. Pali namin. What? So, ilock na natin, guys. Ilock na natin yung ating kasi pakita ko sa inyo yung mga hay nila. Okay? Yan si Pali. Pali! Yan, kumakain siya. And then the baby's head out again. So, kailangan nilang mag-explore sa labas. Come on. So, ayan, pwede siyang umakyat dyan. Then, pwede siyang umakyat dito sa taas din. Okay? So, parang nag-ingay ang ating chicken kasi dito na sila. Oh, ayan na. Sana yung duck. Punta na kayo dito. Come on. Come here. So, ganyan yung ginawa namin, guys. Ayan. Nakikita niyo yung butas. Ayan. Binutasan namin yan para mag-connect sila. Diyan. Pero yung duck, hindi pa nakapunta dito. Ewan, andun lang sila sa kabila. Ayan o. Nakikita niyo. Ayan o. Ayan o. Ayan, dyan lang siya. Ayan o, kita yung head. O, nandun pa yung duck. Kailangan nilang pumunta dito. Come here. Come here. Uy. Kruk, Come here. Sophie. Yeah? So guys, yung duck, nandyan pa rin sila. Kailangan nilang pumunta doon sa kabila. Ayan na, lumabas na sila. Oh, sige, punta doon sa kabila. Na. Agoy. Ayan, yan yung duck na bago pinick up namin today. Hoy. So, ito yung mga alaga ko, guys. Ayan, sige, punta kayo doon. Sige, that's fine. Go there. You can step. Go, step up. Go. So, kailangan nilang pumunta doon. Come on. Go there. Yan na. Let's find out, guys. Okay. Kailangan nilang pumunta doon, guys. Kasi, don't make noise, honey. They're trying to put their head over there. In here, the duck, I mean. Okay, the other duck, the head is over there now. Wait a minute. Go there, guys. Just safe. Go there. I wanna go get you there. Go. Ay, nako. So, ayan. Inaantay namin.
Beautiful duck.
Yeah, I know. So, inantay namin na, guys, na pupunta sila dito. Ayan,
That was a
dyan.
smart move, honey.
What? Yeah, you did no. Good job. So, ayan. Ayan, inantay pa namin sila, guys, na kailangan nilang pumunta doon. You need to explore. You know, the baby rabbit exploring.
Yeah, are they out still?
Honey, we need to put some straw so they never cut their feet.
I did.
No, they got more straw. They need more straw.
Are they out?
Yeah, the other one is out. The other one is inside.
I don't see it.
No more na? Maybe they're inside now. I'll show you. I got film
Okay.
later, but it takes this one is long. Come on. Come on, duck. You go there. Come on. Go. It's safe. Come on, go ahead. Go ahead. Don't scare them, honey. So, ayan. Yun yung stick na head niya. Go there. So, kailangan nating mag-patient, guys. Kasi nga, bago lang sila. So, they need to explore. Ayan, bago lang. So, they need to explore, guys. So, the head is out again. Oops. So, they're looking for it. Go na, dali. Punta mo. Ay, nas, dali. So, ayan. Oh, sige. Go there. Step. One step. One step. Yeah, you're good to go. Go. Go ahead. Go. Just one step. Yep, one step. Come on. Need more patient, honey.
Yeah. Got a little baby sticking its head out.
Yeah, I know. That's what I said to you. And then all of a sudden, they just run.
Oh, there he goes back in.
So, ayan na. Ayan. Ganyan pa lang, baby. Baby ducks. Baby ducks. We call that baby. Babies. Baby. Baby. Baby only. So, they need more exploring. Come on, guys. Nobody's getting the Na si Dada po kaya nag... Oy, chicken, show them how. You need to guide them. Go. You can do it. Come on. You can't explore, guys. Just go to the tunnel. Go. Guys, they're not noisy, no? They're so silent. Silent duck. No noise at all. Just a silent duck. Ayan. Silent duck lang sila, guys. Stick your head out. Go there. Stick your head out. Nobody. Yeah, nobody. Go ahead. So, yan yung mga duck namin. Yan. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. So, tingnan natin guys or other video na pupunta na sila dyan sa tunnel. Okay? So, wait natin mga ilang oras or ilang minuto kung pupunta ba talaga sila. So, they still over here. So, I think that's it guys. Bye!